Introducing the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers. Feel the satisfaction that comes with choosing quality and efficiency. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.